Searching for the best block plane to upgrade your woodworking toolkit? In this video, we review the top 6 best block planes for trimming end grain, smoothing edges, and tackling fine detail work. We compare build quality, ease of use, performance, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your workshop. Stay tuned to see which models made our list and check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Number 1 is the Jorgensen low-angle block plane, designed for precision trimming and detailed woodworking. Its blade uses professional-grade 01 tool steel, holding a sharp edge longer while remaining easy to resharpen for lasting use. The rugged, ductile iron body is drop-tested for durability, paired with a zinc alloy lever cap and stainless steel components for a premium build. Both blade depth and mouth width adjust smoothly via a simple knob, giving fine control over cutting performance. A precisely flattened sole ensures smooth gliding, and clear instructions make it approachable for beginners and pros alike. A compact, versatile plane for everyday woodworking tasks. Number 2 is the Bench Dog, a low-angle block plane built for end grain and precision joinery. Its fully adjustable mouth allows fine-tuned control, whether shaving miters or fitting drawer fronts. Constructed from fine-grained cast iron with brass hardware, it delivers a solid, premium feel. The 1/8-inch hardened steel blade resists chatter, while the one-piece frog and base casting adds extra rigidity. Buyers get a storage case, protective plane sock, and a certificate noting sole flatness and blade hardness. It benefits from some initial tuning, but once dialed in, it performs impressively. A well-rounded mid-range choice that blends value with real craftsmanship. Number 3 is the Kakuri 42mm, a compact kana-style Japanese hand plane suited for smoothing surfaces and chamfering edges with fine precision. It features a high-carbon steel blade that comes pre-sharpened, housed in a durable, comfortable-to-grip natural oak body. Unlike Western-style planes, this one operates on a pull stroke, offering greater control with reduced effort. A two-blade design, complete with a chip breaker, minimizes tear-out for smoother results. As with most Japanese planes, some initial setup, tapping the blade into place with a hammer to achieve proper alignment, is needed. Overall, it strikes a nice balance between cost and craftsmanship, making it a solid, budget-friendly entry point into traditional Japanese woodworking. Number 4 is the Stanley 12-220, offering dependable performance at a budget-friendly price. Its cast-iron base ensures lasting durability, while precision-ground sides and bottom help produce clean, even cuts. Set at a 21 degrees cutting angle, it's well-suited for cross-grain work, and full adjustability lets you fine-tune both depth and alignment. An epoxy coating protects against wear over time, and a front finger rest adds comfort and control during use. As with most budget planes, a little setup, sharpening the blade and flattening the sole, goes a long way in improving results. It doesn't feature an adjustable mouth, but it still handles most everyday tasks well. Overall, it's a solid, no-frills option for hobbyists and DIYers seeking a reliable block plane on a budget. Number 5 is the Stanley 12-960, a low-angle block plane that stands out among budget models for its performance and value. A 13.5 degrees cutting angle makes it especially effective on end grain and other challenging surfaces. Blade adjustments are quick and simple with the cam lock release, while the precision-ground cast iron base, reinforced with an epoxy coating, adds stability and long-term durability. Some out-of-the-box tuning, flattening the sole and sharpening the blade, is recommended, but performance holds up well for the price once dialed in. Compared to the Stanley 12-220, this model's lower cutting angle allows for smoother results and easier push strokes, making it a practical, wallet-friendly pick for hobbyists and DIYers alike. Number 6 is the GreatNeck G27-inch adjustable block plane, offering a straightforward solution for everyday planing tasks. Its cast iron body is precisely machined and polished for a smooth, reliable base, while the hardened and tempered 1 5/8-inch low-angle blade delivers accurate, controlled cuts. A simple steel screw allows for easy thickness adjustment, giving users flexibility across different jobs. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle for quick tasks around the workshop. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, it offers solid peace of mind for the price. While it may lack some premium features found in higher-end models, it remains a practical, no-nonsense choice for casual users and DIYers alike. That wraps up our roundup of the best block planes on the market. Whether you need one for quick edge touch-ups or precise end grain work, there's a great option here for every workshop and budget. If this video helped you find the right tool, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more woodworking reviews and buying guides. Have a favorite block plane we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments, and check the links in the description box below for the latest prices and deals.